Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Today's video is going to be a little bit shorter than normal. I don't have quite as many job leads, but it is all healthcare focused. So if you don't mind or you're looking to be in the healthcare field, we have like some billing jobs. We have like some pre-authorization which has to do with billing. We have data entry. So of course we are going to dive all in. Links, timestamps, all additional information you need to get to any of the pages that I share, or timestamps if you want to skip ahead to the next job lead. All that information is always in the YouTube description box below this video. I do just ask that if you enjoy anything that I share, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button. And of course, if you're new here, welcome. This channel is all about searching the internet daily, looking for the best work from home jobs available, and bringing them to you on a daily basis. So make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications turned on. But first up, we have UnitedHealth Group. Now, I always share sometimes from UnitedHealth Group, their positions go really quickly. So sometimes I will share a position, and within 3 to 4 hours of my video being up, the position will have accepted as many applications and be taken down. So if you're interested in data entry, I'm throwing this out here first. Pause the video, go get that application in, and then come back to the rest of the job leads. Don't waste any time if you want to do healthcare data entry, but UnitedHealth Group has 17,000 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. And they have a data entry examiner position that's open right now at the time of this recording for national remote. It's remote throughout the entire United States. Even though they're hiring throughout the United States, they're looking for somebody who can work a flexible 8-hour shift. Their hours of operation are 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. And so they are going to offer job training, but this training is going to be 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Central Standard Time, Monday through Friday. So if you're outside of that Central Standard Time zone, convert your hours to see if that works for you. And also 7 a.m. is quite an early shift. So of course, make sure that will work for you. But if it will, they're basically looking for somebody to review claim information received through their electronic or paper submitted claims, review these items that stopped for review, making sure the patient information, claim fields, charges submitted, and provider section are filled out and correct. If it's not correct, you'll reject it in the system as needed, and then you'll manually enter claims that were misdirected or received for escalated inquiries. So a lot of checking data and entering data into the system. This only requires a high school diploma or GED, and you have to be 18 years or older with at least 2 years of experience using computers, navigating around different software systems, like being able to do basic computer functions like save documents, email and send documents or spreadsheets in an email. And again, you've got to have flexibility in the hours that you work. Now, they do have a few preferences that might get you to the top of the line, including experience working with medical claims or data entry experience. Pay for this one is going to be highly dependent on your location, plus experience ranges anywhere from $16 an hour up to $23.94 an hour. Next up, we have Labcorp hiring. Now, Labcorp, I have 2 different positions to share with them, but if neither one of these positions are for you, please feel free to go to their website and look at all of their jobs that they have open. They have quite a few open positions right now. They seem to be on a remote work from home hiring spree. They do have 11,000 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. Now, first up, they are looking for a healthcare billing specialist for their OPM. This is remote, and it always says on the Labcorp's job page, this position is available in so many locations. If you click the See All button, you'll see where they're located, and it is remote for the United States, so it doesn't look like they have any state restrictions. But they are looking for somebody to be a billing specialist doing billing data entry, comparing the data with the source documents and entering the billing information into their computer system. You're going to have to do some research trying to find the missing or incorrect information, verifying insurance information. Now, verifying insurance information is done a lot online through provider portals within the insurance companies, but sometimes if you're looking for specific benefits that a patient has. You might have to pick up the phone and make an outbound phone call to call the insurance company, but most of that is done electronically through online portals these days. So you're just researching and updating the billing demographic information to make sure that Labcorp can ensure prompt payment from insurance companies. Now, demographic information includes things like names, addresses, date of birth, your insurance information, all that. So you are just going to make sure that all the billing transactions are processed in a timely manner. Lots of data entry and data verification with this position. It only requires a high school diploma or GED though. Somebody who has worked in medical billing claims or insurance will be given priority, but that's not a requirement as long as you have at least 1 year of previous work experience and you have experience doing data entry, or you are proficient with the computer. You can do data entry, navigate around different computer systems. You have great attention to detail, great organizational skills. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $15 an hour to $15.50 an hour, unless the state you live in has a higher minimum wage. They are specifically looking for somebody, though, to work Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, make sure you convert your hours to see if that works for you. But Labcorp is also looking for a pre-authorization specialist. Again, this is remote for the United States. Now, as a pre-authorization specialist, you're going to be on the front line helping clinicians and patients with billing-related inquiries. So this is going to be like a customer service type position. You're going to take phone calls, chats, emails, or the online portal inquiries, just identifying issues and suggesting potential improvements. So you're examining incoming orders, making sure they're complete and accurate, and any required documentation for the prior authorization from the insurance company is attached. If not, if it's missing, you're going to make sure that you collect that documentation, request the missing information. So you are working directly with different vendors, making sure that the prior authorizations get submitted and any paperwork they need gets submitted. And then, of course, you're going to monitor the status of these authorization requests, following up on pending cases as necessary, making sure the approvals get done quickly. So if an insurance company for the patient's insurance requires a prior authorization, you'll have to basically submit medical information, medical records, or a case. A lot of times that can be done online through a provider portal, trying to get that approval ahead of time so the insurance company will agree once the patient is seen to pay their claims. Now, this does require a high school diploma and 2 years of healthcare billing experience. Other than that, you've got to have great attention to detail and kind of know medical terminology, be a problem solver, be able to work around a computer system. Now, this one pays anywhere from $16 an hour up to $20 an hour. The same schedule though, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, last but not least, we have Ensemble Health Partners hiring. They have 781 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They are also looking for a billing specialist, again, remote nationwide for the United States. So this billing specialist is, again, same thing. You're reviewing and updating failed bills and claims in the computer system, making sure that charges, rebills, or anything that is needed gets taken care of so the insurance company basically pays. So you are pulling explanation of benefits from the insurance companies, finding out why the insurance company didn't pay a claim, and then you're pulling medical records for the patient and attaching them to the claim and sending them off to the insurance company if needed. Sometimes the insurance company just doesn't pay because they don't feel that the services provided were medical necessity for the patient. So you have to send medical records and prove otherwise. You will have to make outbound phone calls as needed to contact patients' insurance companies to get any additional information you need for billing these claims out to the insurance company. So you're just basically performing all of the rebill projects for Ensemble Health. And rebills mean the claim has originally been billed out, the insurance company did not pay the first time, and you are fixing something to rebill it out. Now, they are really looking for somebody who has 1 to 3 years of experience, and they will take a high school diploma or GED. However, this one does prefer an associate's degree, and sadly, pay was not listed. I don't work for any of these companies. That will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family. And of course, I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.